Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at KTALnews.com. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces, and this is your Wednesday morning forecast update. We go a month without rain, and now we have rain in the forecast pretty much every day for the next week, and probably even longer than that. We'll begin to see a few storms later today, but the main event will be coming through with a cold front late tonight, early tomorrow morning, so we are looking at some overnight storms and can't rule out maybe a few strong ones bringing some wind and hail, so I'll get to that in just a moment, but that rainy pattern likely sticking around through the weekend, and we're expecting maybe another cold front to roll through maybe Monday or Tuesday of next week, which will keep those rain chances going into your election day as well. So taking a look here at satellite and radar, you can see a few of those streaming showers coming up off the coastline this morning, and do expect a few of these will move into Texas and Louisiana just prior to sunrise this morning. Otherwise, it will be kind of mostly cloudy through the first half of the day, and once the temperatures warm above 80 degrees this afternoon, we'll have a little better chance of some of those stray and spotty showers popping up during the afternoon today in the warm air that builds in. Won't be too hot today. Again, our temperatures in the 60s and low 70s this morning, and should have highs likely in the low to mid 80s this afternoon, so the clouds should keep us running slightly cooler than the past 2 days here, as we've been kind of pushing record highs for the last week or so. South wind is still with us, and it will be breezy today, but that south wind is kind of cranking up the Gulf humidity, or the moisture out there, which is much needed because that will give us the rainfall that we need later today. So your highs, again, about 86 for Shreveport, 83 in Texarkana this afternoon. Our cold front now spilling out of the Rockies and will be arriving likely just after midnight tonight. So there could be a few strong storms close to midnight, and maybe Red River and McCurtain counties. Texarkana front will pass through probably after midnight for you. Storms should be weakening, but we can't rule out again some wind and hail. And then as we get towards sunrise tomorrow, that severe weather threat will kind of shift down towards Shreveport and point south to Natchitoches. So Shreveport just before sunrise, I believe that's when the storms will be making their way through on Thursday morning. So we'll take a look here at your Robins Toyota Futurecast. Again, expecting pretty quiet conditions the first half of today, but by the afternoon you can see some of these stray and spotty showers popping up here. And here comes the cold front tonight, so we are showing it pushing in likely after midnight, and you can see just how quickly that front moves through tonight as well as tomorrow morning. We'll probably see a few scattered storms linger into your Thursday afternoon as well, but by the time the trick-or-treaters head out there, I would expect most of the rain will likely have wrapped up there, but we can't rule out maybe just a stray or spotty shower late in the day on Thursday as well. Looking at the rainfall projections, still expecting maybe half an inch to an inch with isolated higher amounts, but given there will be some more rain beyond this going into next week, I wouldn't be surprised. A lot of areas over the next week saw about 2 to 3 inches of rain, and trick-or-treat forecast probably about a 30-40% chance of some spotty showers out there. Shouldn't be any heavy rain and any kind of severe weather out there for the trick-or-treaters, but again, we could have just a few lingering showers as that front will stall close to us late Thursday into Friday, and given this front will stall close to us, we'll maintain some of those storm chances through the upcoming weekend, especially in the afternoons. We should get some spotty showers and storms each afternoon through the weekend, and it looks like a better chance of rain coming in with that front, maybe late Monday into Tuesday of next week.